Hi everyone, hi you two. I hope you're okay, I hope you're keeping well. It's a very strange time, isn't it, this, where we're all staying indoors, but I hope you're staying safe and I hope you're with your family. Mr. Bell and your teachers have asked me to do some music with you online, so we're going to do some music like this. We're going to learn a song called Somewhere Over the Rainbow, okay? And we're learning this with kindergarten and reception. So I'm relying on you, years 1 and 2, because you're the older children, to learn it really well so you can help the younger ones. You know, like when we do, when we learn a song for assembly, you help the younger ones, don't you? Because sometimes kindergarten struggle to learn the words, don't they? So I'm counting on you to learn this really well so that when we are back to school, you could sing it with reception in kindergarten. You would be able to help them because you're a bit older and you know it really well. Does that sound good? So what you could do, I said to reception in kindergarten, you could listen to this video and learn this song with me, and you could get your mummy and daddy, if they're sitting next to you now, you could say to them, go and have a cup of tea in the garden, or go and have some time to maybe do something that they want to do, because you could keep this as a surprise. And you could say to mummy and daddy, I'm going to learn a song, and then when I've learned it, I'm going to come and I'm going to show it to you. And you could do a show, couldn't you? You could make little tickets and you could perform it to your family or to your mummy and daddy. Does that sound good? Okay, so we're going to learn a song called Somewhere Over the Rainbow. I said to reception in kindergarten that recently the rainbow has been a symbol, hasn't it, of hope, because we are in a pandemic at the moment, which means there's a virus going round. And the sign of the rainbow is a sign of some hope, isn't it? Because what do you often find at the bottom of a rainbow? What do they say you can find? It's a pot of gold, isn't it? So we're going to learn a song called Somewhere Over the Rainbow. Let me play it to you, and I'm hoping that when I play it to you, you'll think it sounds familiar. So we're going to be learning that today. Now the first thing we need to do really well and learn really well is the words, okay? So that's where we're going to start, all right? So let's have a little look at learning the words. All right, so the first thing you're going to sing is Somewhere Over the Rainbow. That's easy peasy. They're the first words. That's the title of the song, okay? So it goes, somewhere over the rainbow. That's how it starts, all right? So let's try that little bit. Are you ready? So this is the introduction. And I'm going to put this song in your folder on Edmodo. So it's there. Okay, you ready? Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. So that bit is way up high. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high. Can you say that? Go. Way up high. Good. And then we're going to sing, there's a land. There's a land that I heard of. That I heard of. So there's a land that I heard of. And the tune, they're the words, the tune goes, there's a land that I heard of once in a lullaby. Once in a lullaby. Have you got that? Shall we try that from the beginning? Here we go, year 1 and year 2. And you're going to be the superstars of this because you're going to help reception in kindergarten, okay? And if you've got a brother or a sister in reception or kindergarten, you could help them. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land. everybody okay so far? Brilliant. Now the next bit is the same tune but different words. So we sing Somewhere Over the Rainbow again. Somewhere over the rainbow. Then we sing Skies Are Blue. And it's the same tune but just different words. Skies are blue. So somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue. Have you got that? Yeah, let's try that. Ready? Here we go, ready? Somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue. So this is the second bit. Somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue. Excellent. And the next bit is the same tune but different words. So we sing and the dreams. And the dreams that you dared to dream. Lots of da-da-das. And the dreams that you dared to dream really do come true. And the dreams that you dared to dream really do come true. They're the last words. Okay, so that last bit. And the dreams that you dared to dream really do come true. Okay, so shall we try that whole thing from the beginning? I think we should. Are you ready? Here we go. This is the introduction, isn't it? So we don't sing on this bit. Really good, year 1 and year 2. This song, just so you know, a little interesting musical fact if you wanted to know. If you play a musical instrument, like maybe the piano is a good one to understand what I'm about to say. At the beginning of this song, there is an octave jump, okay? And that means that it goes up by 8 notes, but it's the same note that you're singing, but it's just higher. So you've got your somewhere, that note and that note are the same note, but that one's low and that one's high. And that's called an octave jump. So there's 8 notes in between there. Anything oct often means 8. So an octopus has got how many legs? 8 legs, octopus. An octave jump is 8 notes in between. You've got a shape called an octagon, and it's called an octagon because it's got how many sides? 8. Okay, so just a little interesting fact is that that's an octave jump. When I was young, I went to a stage school, so I did lots of music and dancing and singing when I was at school all day long. And this song was a very popular song that directors would ask you to sing at auditions because it shows if you're musical, because there's an octave jump in it. So you've got to be able to go somewhere, do do. It's a little bit like Happy Birthday has one in it. And Mr. Bell likes singing happy birthday, doesn't he, in assembly? So you've got happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday. That's an octave jump there. So they often ask you to sing happy birthday auditions as well, because it shows if you can stay in tune. Because people who can't stay in tune wouldn't be able to do that. Happy birthday to Smelly Pants. Yeah? So that's a little interesting fact for you. An octave is 8 notes, and there are only 8 notes until you get to that same note again. Yeah? That's all. Lots of love. Enjoy learning it, and if you're brave enough and you manage to sing it, maybe you could ask mummy or daddy to video you, and you could put it onto Edmodo for me to see and for everyone to watch, because I would love to see that. If you don't want everyone to see it, I think there's a way you can, if I set it maybe as an assignment, you might be able to send it to me privately, so just I can watch it. Okay? Lots of love, year 1 and year 2. Stay safe, stay indoors, and have fun with your music and your singing. Lots of love. Bye, darlings.